Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack-a-Punch Traders here. Gonna make a daily watch list video lesson going over my top plays right here. We got Aemd, DPSI, Nuro, Indp, Siga, and Agri. Let's start off with Agri here. We got a continuation of the hold of the 250s and making a higher low today, getting to new highs just barely over the 334 highs from pre-market last Wednesday, and let's just see if it fails to break down, comes back, holds the 330s. That could offer a nice move. We got a low float play, lower market cap, still doing some decent volume. It just really needs to come back for us to get a solid move to get a push, or we need a lot of volume to give us a solid push to get to the high threes. That's the next resistance level that I'm seeing where there's some volume. And besides that, we'll see if we can get past 4. But just looking for that quick snipe from the low threes to test the high threes, 4-ish area. And that's really it for this play. Just looking for the double top in the 330s to fail. It holds up and it gets propped up as support rather than keep holding as resistance. Shorts recognize that. They want to start covering their position. Buyers come in as they're seeing a breakout continue, and that should give it enough force to get to the levels that I think it should get to. Next up, what do we got? SIGA here. As I expected today, this was a total missed opportunity, and all the healthcare plays today, just total missed opportunities with GOVX, CBIO. There's another play. I think that's it right now. But yeah, so we got this solid push here. Didn't quite get to 150% or more, 200%. Not a insane mover, but nonetheless offering a solid opportunity. It is a bit of a bigger float than I prefer, but volume is still coming in. Shorts got the upper hand here. I'm just gonna be looking for a multi-day bounce. I know it didn't spike as much as I prefer, but it has a lot of eyes on it. So because of that, I think it could offer a solid bounce. So we'll just see what happens. But SIGA looking for a multi-day bounce. Same thing with, what do you call it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? DPSI here. Uh, Holding up a bit. There was a bit of a momentum shift today where it didn't really break down and head to new lows after a little hold up in the morning. We got a morning spike, retreated majority of the gains, but didn't make new lows, kept holding up. And I'm seeing that as a little bit of a momentum shift over the past couple of days where it's just fading. Shorts are in control, well off the highs of 13, low float, low market cap. Just going to be looking for that bounce play. And, it is encouraging that it made this move here and it retreated. But it is holding a whole dollar, half dollar level of 5. It's got some things going for it. Slight momentum shift with the failure to really head lower today. We'll see if we could get the push tomorrow to maybe get back to the mid sevens, maybe 8-ish area here. So we'll definitely keep this on watch heavily for a multi-day bounce. I'm really digging that. And then what else we got? AEMD. This was a great call right out of the watch list, and I did not see this. This happened all last second. Previous high day break or day high break right here, right around 150-ish. As it didn't really close near the one up in the 150s. It was more into the 140s, 150 area here, where there was more resistance. So when it snaps that, it just takes off, as you can see, and ends up getting to the resistance level I thought it would in the 190s, 2-ish area. So that was really nice to see. But if momentum continues behind these healthcare plays, with the low float, low market cap, if it keeps holding up, volume could keep coming back as shorts could get squeezed. We confirmed the 150s, come back for a 172 high break, and from there we should possibly be seeing low twos. So yeah, AMD right there. What else do I got? Nuro and INDP. These are some runners from last week. Ended up fading, but they're still kind of holding up. They're in the sector. The healthcare plays, lower float, lower market caps. If volume could come back, this could easily become a solid breakout play over the high fives here. 589 is the multi-day breakout level. If you could get back to there, confirm that area, this could definitely trigger a short squeeze and more buyers coming in. We might have a hard time here in the low fives as there might be some bag holders. We'll let it develop in the mid to high fives. But if it fails to break down and volume keeps coming in, there's volume. Can't even talk. There's buying. Um, we should be able to get a push to 7, mid sevens. That would be the next resistance level, mid sevens. So I kind of like this setup here. So definitely keep this on watch. It held up nicely today. We got a gap down and it climbed all the way back, finishing green on the day. So let's see if we get the momentum to get back into the fives, push higher than that. And same deal with INDP, except different price level. We're in the low threes here. We're holding up in the mid twos, trying to bottom out. Let's see if we get that reversal, come back to the low threes, hold that area, and then from there test the mid threes where there's resistance from pre-market here. And then after that, four-ish, low fours. That's the next resistance I see here. Once again, low flow, healthcare play. So we're getting a few healthcare plays going from monkeypox news and all that nonsense. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm just gonna be following the price action. What is moving right now? Healthcare plays are hot. We got on this scanner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So majority of the plays on my scanner here are healthcare plays. So keep those on watch. Went through the top plays here. Hope you had a great day. I didn't trade anything. There's another video lesson on here from Jared, the other Pack-a-Punch trader. His trade on Nuro. No, not Nuro. My bad. GovX. What am I even talking about? This was a solid push today. Just absolute failure. Breakdown. Right sector. Low float. Low market cap. Volume coming in. Breaking short sellers' expectations and reclaiming these key levels and confirming them. And that leads to the solid push. So this will end up being a nice multi-day bounce play. Jared got that today. A little scalp on that. Then we got CBIO taken off. We're going to be looking for this. For a possible previous high at daybreak, that 147 high from today might tomorrow be a solid area where it faces resistance. So we'll see how it reacts to that area. If it holds up in the mid ones and pushes higher, or if volume isn't necessarily there and we get a fake out, we'll just wait for the red day and start looking for the multi-day bounce when that comes. So we'll just wrap this up. Hope you have a good one. Check us out on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders, tradecaster.com for low-cost live streams. Besides that, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have a great one.